My name is Cormier. I'm a senior sustainable food and farming major. I am the donations manager and the record keeper for the student farm this year. So the donations manager role really kicks up on harvest days. When we're packing up after a harvest, I'll look at the extras and I'll see what is of good enough quality to donate. On Tuesdays, that's when the donation delivery goes out. Yeah, so I think that once we started making donations, it started to feel really good to give the excess to people who need it, especially because there is a lot of excess, and that's something that I didn't really realize before becoming a farmer. Well, all my growing experience really has been done here. I think the most exciting has been the carrots. Every week, or I guess twice a week, we harvest those, and to see the progress from week to week has been amazing. The different varieties, they really looked their best at different times. Like, it started out, the orange ones looked good, and then it was like, oh, the purple ones are now looking really good, and then it was the yellow ones. And so we were doing rainbow bunches, but this week we just did orange, but it's cool to see the slight differences in them. Yeah.